I'm unstoppable, try stop me impossible. Keep on them.
Welcome to the Portmore Talent Show. I am your host, Amelia. Today we're here with an amazing artist by the name of Steppa. We're going for a quick break, and when we get back, you get more from the man himself.
Stack up a bands, stack up a bands. Shuffle them, load the duffel them. Boy, this we go feed them. Head cheap like Chucky then. Mummy kitchen bloody then. You go for friend, we go for gun. Hanna knock it like a fun. Ball game, circle down. One war skin we gun. Cause I trigger my press release. And we not take the feed. From your this the team. Done the magazine. Head chop off, smooth and clean. Then we go start the green. Them gal for free. Joining in your blood cause you love to see. Stack up a band, stack up a bands.
Welcome to the Portmore Talent Show once more. Ace, how are you doing?
Fine, Amelia. And how are you?
I'm great, thanks for asking. So like I always say, the Portmore Talent Show is not only to showcase your talent here, but to the entire world. Cool?
Yeah, true.
Awesome. So before we start, Ace, what is your government name?
Given name Ronaldo Edwards. You know, father wanted me to be a baller, but guess me turned out as an artist instead, you know?
You have many talent, don't worry yourself. Where were you born and where did you grow up?
You don't know, born and originated in Waterhouse, Kingston. Then moved from like a age of 1 or 2 to Mall Road, which there was where I practically grew and spent most of my life, you understand?
Okay.
Living with grandma, father, uncle, big family, I understand. You don't know, just always did it for one the same way. So I guess that's how the talent really kind of start develop from. Come I always could have sing, you understand? People them like hear when I sing, you understand? I just could write lyrics at that time.
Okay.
So after that, like age of 15, stop sleep on my yard, kind of a team, but that's why the time a team farm. So it's a team right now, Steppa Gang Music, you don't know, God Life Entertainment as my management as well, you understand? So it's a team, they end up moving me at like 15, start sleep up. I'm a friend here that a Spade Steppa teach me now everything what I know in a music. Alright now, Steppa is not just only an artist, he's a recording artist / engineer / businessman as well, because I'm an owner of a business as well.
That's awesome. Really glad to know multiple talents. So in case of school, what schools did you attend, primary and high school?
Well, I attended a lot of schools, so no, yeah, but I started off at like one way prep school.
Yeah.
That was when my father was in England, so everything was smooth and running at that time. Circumstances happened, so you don't know, we did have to move from the prep school to a regular school, which was C-Ward. C-Ward was where I meet my friend them in a Steppa Gang right now, so this is my music career started in C-Ward in primary school. I understand. So C-Ward, moving on from C-Ward, go to Tarrant High School.
Yeah.
There is now where I started to practically master the craft of music. Hasn't started engineering as yet. You understand? After that, I left school now, you don't know adventure and much more things, so you can't call it say football is the only talent I can do.
Don't say can't. You probably have it in you, but you don't really take it up in.
No, man, I have 2 left foot, man.
Get you. All right, you said around age 15, thereabout, also when you were on the Steppa Gang and everything, is when your career really started taking off. So is there any particular event happened that showed you that you had this talent?
Yeah, so as I said, I always could have sing. Spade did end up like my voice and say, you know what? Because Spade and Atomic, them 2 persons I look up to when I start the music. You don't know, big up Spade and Atomic anyway, one of the same way. You understand? So I usually see them do them look room recording and I say, yo, no mad in the more, I can't do the thing like you know, charge it, you know, mad. So tell Spade, say, you know what, your voice tough, I'm write a verse here. I got the verse, I'm recording, I feel sweet for the whole time. I go home, I say, yeah, I'm an artist. So I just follow it up and say, you know what, go home, all school, me there, you can ask any teacher about me. I always at the back of the class, I write song. But yet still anytime them come around there and ask them work, my book always full of work. So I do my work and then start use most of my time write music, you see me? Go home, Spade, yo, oh this sound, Atomic, oh this sound. So till I actually grow and reach where I'm there right now. I just start, it never easy though, because man usually they do it and I say, yo, dog, foolishness here, I sing, go and go sit down, you understand? But You know, make them words bring you down. You see it, yeah?
True.
You know, once you want something, you just continue move towards that and you're gonna get it.
Yeah.
You see me? So
True.
I just one of them things them end up do, man. End up start left school, start engineering, start spread my hands in a whole heap of different things. Cause music is not. When you see an artist out there, don't think it's that just the music make him be as big as them be. Most of them
True.
are business. You don't have only music. You have to have a side, some other side businesses.
Something push you also.
Yeah. So like for example, Kanye West, him have a shoes. Dr. Dre, him have beats. So look on most of the major celebrities, them don't try to stick themselves in one lane. So Steppa one of them person where he's not just dancehall either, but do more than one music.
Entrepreneur, you try to mix everything. You're talented, multi-talented, why not share it?
That is it, man. So I share it to the world, man, because you don't know my passion.
Yeah.
I just know anytime reaching at that element, as you could have seen in my performance, I'm reach an element there, that's my element. I just feel free, you know?
Zone, right?
Yeah.
All right, so you mentioned school, you also mentioned in your community. So the first time that you perform, like in a large group of persons, how were you received?
Yeah, the first performance was at school, so it was a social, and when I go up to perform out a beat like, so I say, John, what first, I'm going to go in front of so much
So you
people.
were nervous?
Yeah, because I could have sing long time as I tell you. So
Yeah.
I'm always singing in a choir, but as I say, I'm always at the back part. So this time, I'm me alone now, I go up on stage. I say, Jaja, I wonder how them are relate to me. I'm sing my first tune, everybody real. When I drop the second one, it tumble down the place. When I look and come off the stage, a 3 youth come up say, oh, them want clash. And it wasn't even a clash event. I was just singing 2 reality tune. So them run up say, them want clash 3 youth from 11th grade, 10th grade. Me I say, all right, when you come, no want clash. Them call me up, but me end up go up there. 3 of them left embarrassed, man.
Wow.
Yeah. 3 of them, because even if, then them feel say, here say reality song and feel say, oh, look a wet brother can step on him. No. We're humble, but we defensive, same way, I understand.
Get it.
We have one heap of events keep, we have a monthly event right now it not keep because we have a big event, NGA concert coming up May 28th. One heap of bad artists like himself, you know? So, promoted by Steppa Gang and God Life Entertainment Management, same way. You have Shuffle Black live every end of month, but as I said, that is the one that's on pause right now because the big event is coming up.
Okay.
But other shows, companies featured on Smile Jamaica, big up Little Pepper for make that possible, as well as this one. You understand? Little Pepper, Reggie will always recommend me, you know? Yeah.
Really like that. So you not only have a crew that is there for your friend-wise, but they're there for you in terms of your career, in terms of everything. You said Little Pepper, you said God Life, and you also said Steppa Gang, and it's definitely like family.
Yes, indeed. Steppa Gang is my family because I tell you from 15, them their own. Spade and Atomic, you have Incho Prince, you have Current Steppa, you have Fedovic Steppa, Tiana Steppa, Rooty Hustle. And you know, a whole heap of Steppa there. But them they just call them they are the artists them.
Oh, okay.
Those are actually artists as well. But you have a whole heap more Steppa way on an artist, but you just know say Steppa them the same way. Understand?
Understand.
Yeah.
Do you have any videos, recorded song, probably any that you'd like to promote and put more talent through?
Yeah, right now we have a video out featuring me, Steppa and Casanova EXO. That one is called Clans Band. Recently just dropped like 4 months ago, but right now I just did last Sunday. I shot a recent video as well, Unstoppable Before I Want, the first track that I performed earlier. That one will be dropping next Friday as well. So the EP will be dropping as well. I have an EP, Brawling King EP, dropping 28th of May, same night as the NGA concert.
Yeah.
So what heap of moves making, you understand?
Like that. So we definitely can look forward to it. All right, so Steppa, in terms of persons who may out there have talents, but they don't know how to come in the music industry, any advice for them?
Well, anything, just believe in yourself and you will find a way, you understand? Because right now, as I'm telling you, I'm a recording engineer. I have a studio. Not really me in a studio like a room. I have all my equipment in my room and I record myself and my friends. Spade taught me how to record like myself. He taught me recording engineering. So once you have the belief in something, I feel like you will adventure as much as you can to grow in that area. I understand? Because most of what me know right now, as I said, I left out on people most of me are 15. I learned most of them things from YouTube. Even how to cook, YouTube. You understand? Yeah, and if I ask any one of my friends in my environment, them one of my friends has tell somebody else what they say, yo, them man, I don't know how him do it. Him just want to say him go and do something and you see him sit down all long on YouTube. Then when you look, him do it. Me I say, yo, why you do that?
Brain
I
quick.
say, yo, charge YouTube, it there right at your fingertip, why not use it?
True.
So just research upon what you want, and if you really don't find, if you find it, music take a leap of money. So me recommend artists to try to get them own equipment and learn how to record themselves.
Oh, true.
That would ease a lot of pressure for you, because it did ease a lot for me. You understand?
Definitely.
That money can now go into videos and promotion. You understand?
And you even mentioned YouTube, which is like when it comes on to engine of entertainment, YouTube is there for it.
Exactly.
Anybody can drop a video on YouTube, can drop a single, anything, and it promotes itself.
Exactly, and you have YouTube ads as well. So,
Mhm.
and they're as cheap as $5. Like $5 is just like $600-700 out here.
Exactly.
That's nothing to spend on their music. Because right now, in order to get somewhere with your music, don't feel it's gonna be free.
You have to invest in yourself.
There are stuff that you can do in the meantime while you don't have money that is free, but it's just as much. You're still gonna have to spend to get it to that extra mile that you want it to go.
True.
You understand?
You sound like a person that know what he wants from life and is going for what he wants from life. I really, really like that. In terms of negative comments, they know in the music industry you'll have person that say good and person that says bad. How do you deal with negative comments?
Well, I'm gonna be honest and straightforward. We're only human, but in everything, I always try to keep my humble. You understand? But you have people out there where, trust me, as humble as you be, you have people who will dry you out.
True.
You understand? People that there where them we just find some way to draw you out, and you're human. Sometimes you have to react to it, you understand?
Yeah.
But it just depends on keeping the human side of it while reacting, you understand? Don't try go outrageous all the time, you understand? So I try to keep my calm. Somebody else in a talking. Me as a man, I even too like talk enough. As you can see, I don't talk even loud. So when they
Yeah.
actually hear me get loud, you know me, I get angry. And most time people hear me get loud, them just stop whatever did that bother me. So I really don't have no botheration.
I really like that. And you said that you are promoting Clans Band as a song?
Yeah, Clans Bands and Unstoppable dropping next Friday.
We have come to the end of the interview segment with Ace Steppa. We are going for a quick break, and when we get back, you will get a live performance from Unstoppable as well as Clans Band.
Darling, Steppa.
Unstoppable.
Tell you about mankind, dog.
Impossible.
Always a fight. But watch ya.
Impossible.
Tell them me don't give one about pagan. Them can't touch God child. Greatness strong in my veins to the king. Well I will say them don't want me to rise, but them know I'm unstoppable. Try stop me, impossible. Them know I'm unstoppable. Try stop me, impossible. Keep on them. Say me just make a fat check. More bless the flow, cause the river not up yet. Pray for your better day, no pray for me casket. Never do you nothing for me life. You are centered so low profile. When man rolling up to the cloud, new track that trending. Anyone me pull up low and start that spending. For me hard work ready. Tell them me don't give one about pagan. Them can't touch God child. Greatness strong in my veins so the king. Well I will say them don't want me to rise, but them know I'm unstoppable. Try stop me, impossible. Them know I'm unstoppable. Try stop me, impossible. So this is struggles are tough in life, but me I go show them a tougher. So don't surprise and me rise I'm out of the gutter. Cause you don't know how me I live when we go. Say you don't know how me I live when we go. Dog, enough man been through time for a change. Struggles me I face from my 23 years, and the time is now for me write a new page and erase negative from mouth and my brain. Me a work feed and a call feed like the whole street, whole team make them on green. Never ball feed, pressure bus pipe. Better know that done with history. A time for the pure maths car. Struggles are tough in life, but me I go show them tougher. So don't surprise and rise I'm out of the gutter. Cause
you don't know how me I live when we go. Say you don't. All of my brother them, sure. Why them try to tear you down? Bad mind people no want me for break free. And Jaja nah sleep. Give me light and strength and armor. Him mama shield so them can't harm me. And Jaja nah sleep. So me never show fear in the valley of death. Nice them a make that calm up my fret. Hands them clasp but you never shot yet. Me not just family, no, me not just friend. Cause mankind change when you least expect it. Can't fool me, won't accept it. Greatness a shout out, you your destiny already yours. Why them try to tear you down? Bad mind people no want who for break free. And Jaja nah sleep. Give me light and strength and armor. Him mama shield so them can't harm me. And Jaja, watch out. Coulda dead already if me never wise in a earth. Never drop me guard man, always alert. Still no better than no man, cause the whole of we are dirt. And when life pass to the farm they return. As life pass by so much when me earn. Me put them to use, pan the ground stand firm. And always remember me gain when me yearn. So no bad mind me think little youth and I yearn. Why them try to tear you down? Bad mind people no want me for break free. And Jaja nah sleep. I'm your superhero. Baby, you're safer than a padlock. Always here to keep your comfort. Can't shot pan love, me fool you with that. You man, you think that the boy your history nah pay. You no mind him make a mistake. Wasting your love and time you invest. But here Steppa nah go make you complain. Been through so much, me just want to ease your mind. Know the boy hurt your feeling. It will be. I'm your hero, baby, you're safer than a padlock. Always here to keep your comfort. Can't sharp and love me fool you with that. Girl, I'm your superhero, baby, you're safer than a padlock. Always here to keep your comfort. Can't sharp and love me fool you. Look how you stick with the boy right through. Then all of a sudden him want style you. You alone a yard him a roll with crew. That's why the brawling king roll through. You not have to call him again. Have to remember the times we spent. I'll be here with you till the end. Even if it was not intended. Without you I'm empty. Girl, your love is very tempting. Sexy girl, you don't have to call him again. I'll be here with you till the end. I remember the times we spent. Even if it was not intended. I'm your hero, baby, you're safer than a padlock. Always here to keep your comfort. Can't sharp and love me fool you with that. Girl, I'm your superhero, baby, you're safer than a padlock. Always here to keep your comfort. Yes, Steppa the brawling king, them don't know man. Pretty girl now building a pretty for herself. Dave now, oh gosh. Big up the artist them in that place same way. Management, big up yourself around the air. Car. No, them no know my pain, but understand them lying. All my feelings them still hiding. Turn pains to gains, my gun win. Man tell them my born for greatness. Earth can't hold my dog, me shake it. Man strong, the team amazing. Can't use them words and try to tear me down. Take back my crown, come and know me a king in ya. Me a praise God. About religion, pray for a better life. Now see me live it here. Still not the best, but yet me give thanks to that. Can't of well, one my job, my smile, give them heart attack. Me even off a fire shot. Blessing just flew one show, so I kill that. Find them hidden but never did real. Let me see it pretender that. No, them no know my pain, but them lying. And my feelings them still hiding. Turn pains to gains, my gun. Earth can't hold my dog, me shake it. Per man strong, the team amazing. Can't use them words and try to tear. No days, no meal, still smile and pray. Me must make a change, fulfill my dreams. Make a mansion built up by mummy Benz Jeep. Brother, them a take flight like said the fear cheap. And rule it or just go and live your best life, bro. Now left you out all in the next life. They live in a place, brawling east side. Every youth want know what better life feel like. No, them no know my pain, but them lying. All my feelings, them still hiding. Turn pains to gains, my gone. Man, tell them I'm born for greatness. Earth can't hold me, dog, me shake it. Man strong, the team amazing. Can't use them words and try to tear me down.